Nene again from Lollipops. Today we are gonna go through some flashcards and we're gonna play this one game, and I'm gonna explain it to you now. It's super easy. We will have 3 animals. For example, we have a dog, we have a cow, and we have a chicken. Then I'm gonna use this whiteboard. I'm gonna stick these cards on the board facing you. 2 of the animals will be facing you, and then you have to guess and tell me in English which animal is hiding here. Okay? Cool. Then let me mix the cards so it's a surprise for all of us. Okay. First one, I got a duck. Duck. I also got a cow. A cow. And we also have a sheep here. A sheep. Very good. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, and 3. So we have a cow and a sheep. Who is hiding here, you think? Do you remember? Oh! Okay, it is, and it must be a duck. I hope you got it right. It's a duck. Cool. Oopsie, I got the sheep halfway through falling. Nice. Then let me remove the cow as well. Okay, we can move on to other animals. Let's see. Okay, so we have a horse. Pig. And the chicken, my favorite. Like the one that goes go, 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 go. Let's see. Okay. This one. And this one. Okay, so we have a chicken and horse showing. Who is hiding here, you think? Horse doesn't want to stay here. You stay. Good. Okay, do you think it's a pig? It is a pig. It is a pig. Okay, cool. We have chicken, pig, and a horse. Show must go on, kids. Show must go on. I will pick one animal from here that we already should remember. I'm gonna add it to here. This one you must remember already. The chicken. Chicken. We also got a cat. A cat. And a dog. Okay? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh! A cat. Okay, it's staying there. Nice. Okay, let's see. Should I not? Okay, we do this. Oh, we have a dog. Okay, so we have a cat and dog. Then this one must be my favorite, which is chicken. Yeah. There you go. Cat and a dog and a chicken. Chicken, you stay there. Nice. That was it for today. Thank you for your attention and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.